Today I'm going to be showing how I get some of my seeds when I grow okra. Some of these are, well, all of these were grown last year in my garden, and I saved them to be reused in the garden this season. So what I normally do is just kind of crack it, and I just open it out, and the seeds are in the middle. Some of them aren't good, and some of them are. Okay, take the hole, put it over there. Like, see. Have to get up. Get up so you can see it. This uh, this is a good seed. Oh, what did it go? There it is. This is a fairly good seed. That's a good one to use. But this one right here, if you can see how this one is not. You want it to be round and green, not black. So, but they're all going to go into the same pan for now, and then I will separate them out later. We just open them out and just let them pop out and let them just fall down in here. If you use the black ones, I don't know. I never do. I throw them away and I use the green ones. I don't think those black ones are going to work. I don't think. But I never use them because they're black and shrivelly, and we keep the green ones, the nice round green ones. And this hole, a lot of them just are going all over the place. Gotta have a steady hand. Because when they dry out, this is a dried out hole, and inside are a lot of seeds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue to open these, and I will be back after I get done. Okay, so I'm done pulling the okras, and this is what was left. It wasn't as many seeds as I thought it was going to be. Normally it's more than that. And I do see where I have some darker colored seeds. They're close to, they're like dark, almost like they're black. But they're not. They're just a darker, well, they could be black. Some of these are dark, and I am going to plant those too. I was going to separate these out before I plant them, but I'm just going to go down the road and just, as we go down the road, because it's going to take too much time just to separate out the bad seeds. So we're going to take the good with the bad in this batch. There's the holes, and this is the finished product. Our okra seeds for this season. I have more okra seeds. I will be using these and the ones that I already have stored. I want to thank you for watching this YouTube video. There will be more to come. Once again, like my video, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you guys later. Goodbye.